This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Climate change and sports stars. I just heard a news broadcast where 200 of Australia's top sports stars have demanded that Scott Morrison do more about climate change. Now, where do you bunch of silver spoon celebrities get your information from, and don't you read the sciences and see what Australia's doing compared to the rest of the world? And especially in a time of uncertainty where our Prime Minister could do with some support instead of you divisive bunch of little silver spoons. Have a look around the world, and maybe if you decide to get real and get your ass out of your expensive gas guzzling SUVs that we see you all running around in, and travelling the country and the world in bigger gas guzzling, polluting aeroplanes, and all get together, all 200 of you, and you'll fit on one plane and go to the United States, India, Pakistan, and most of all China. I'm sure Xi Jinping would love to talk to you and talk to them about climate change instead of whining and whinging about shit you know very little about and leave it to the experts. Australia, if you haven't noticed, are leading the way. Just zip it. This is Harry Vocal.